Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the match time on the eFootball game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the eFootball application on your device, and if you have already completed the basic tutorial and chosen your home team, you will gain access to the main menu. Now from the main menu page, you can tap on the match button to proceed with starting any kind of match that you wish. Now after both parties are ready for the match, before the match starts, you will see the gear icon at the bottom left corner on the screen where you can choose your game plan. Just tap on this gear icon and now you will see the settings option. Tap on settings and there are various different options that you have access to. Tap on the match time option and you will be able to change the match duration. Tap on your desired match duration and then tap on the done button and your match duration will immediately be changed. After you change your duration, you can tap on the next button or make any desired changes on your match strategy and then tap on the next button to get started on your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your match time on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.